Hello, welcome to the channel. Okay, this is Faith Power Auto. We have all kinds of tracks for sale. I will leave my number below this video so that you will just know where to call if you need tracks. What you are seeing right now on the video is at head. We call it articulator head, and this is 6x4 at head. You see, it comes with one spare tire, everything intact, okay? And this vehicle is very, very good for all your haulage business, for transportation of low beds, and to take everything that you want. This vehicle will just give you comfort. It will give you money. It will give you everything that you want. Just call the number